Welcome to the tutorial on how to make a dynamic block for automatically changing scale bar. Here we can have an A3 template, and I have made one scale bar block all ready to avail you for download. In this block, we can just click on it and click on this down arrow sign, and we have plenty of scale options. We can just click on the required one. Right now, let's say 1000. And we can see these unit text above have changed for scale 1 is to 1000. We can try changing the other scales. Now, when we go for 20, we can see the units shown are in mm. Likewise for 1 is to 10. I have prepared scale for almost all generally used standard scale list here. You can just click the link below to download. Now, let's jump to the tutorial for learning how to make this dynamic block. First of all, we have to make a block containing 3 elements, lines, text, and hatch. Make yourself a block which should look like this with your wish standards. Make the unit distance 10 millimeters, all space 10 millimeters. We can see it's only a hatch. Text, which we can easily edit here. Here we have scale bar for 1 is to 250. Now, create a block, B, enter. Give a name. Let's say scale block mm. Then click on the pick point icon and click at the center of our block. Again, click on the select object icon and select all the objects required for our block like this and enter. Now click OK. Here, we have made a block which works for scale 1 is to 250. To make other scales available, we need to double click on this block. Select our block and click OK. Let's adjust text positions. Now, to make the more options available here, we have to use the visibility parameter. So let's click visibility on parameter tab and click for the location where we want to put the drop-down arrow location. I will put it here. So we have now visibility for 1 is to 250 scale here. Now we can double click on this parameter here. As we know the visible scale bar is for 250 scale, we will rename it as 250 and click OK. Now here it is shown 250. Now to make a new scale bar for new scale, we will copy all the components from here with base point with Command Control plus Shift plus C. For base point, let's type 0, 0 and enter. And select all the components and click enter. Now, let's click this visibility icon again. Let's create scale bar for 1 is to 100 scale. So click on New. Type 100 in the visibility state name. Check first option in visibility options. Now we have scale 100 shown on the list. Click OK. Here it looks empty because we have hidden all existing elements in new visibility state. Now let's paste what we have copied with base point 0, 0 with Control plus V. Again for insertion point, let's type 0, 0 and enter. Now let's change these texts to match for the scale 1 is to 100. Here we need 1. 0 remains 0, 1, 2, 3M. Again, let's arrange the text. Looks good. Close block editor. Save the changes. Now, here we can see two options for scale bar. Let's select 100. Whole block is changed to scale 1 is to 100. We can copy and change the scale. Same procedure is repeated for creating different other scales. Double-click or B. Click OK. We will copy all the components from here with base point with Command Control plus Shift plus C. For base point, let's type 0, 0, and enter. Select all the components. Enter.
Double-click on the visibility. Click on New, give scale name, say 200, check first visibility option, click OK. Again, let's paste what we have copied with base point 0, 0 with Ctrl plus V. Again for insertion point let's type 0, 0 and enter. Again let's edit the texts for 1 is to 200 scale. Reposition the texts. Close block editor, save the changes. Now, here we have one more option added. We can repeat the process and add as much as we need. Get inside the block, double-click on the visibility option. Create new, give scale name. Click OK. Paste what we have copied with base point 0, 0 with Ctrl plus V. Edit texts. Double-click on the visibility option. Create new. Give scale name. Click OK. Paste what we have copied with base point 0, 0 with Ctrl plus V. Edit texts. We can see the list of visibility states here and check if there are any mistakes. When everything is OK, close block editor, save the changes, and we are done. Well, if you feel lazy to make it by yourself, you can just download it from the link provided. I have prepared block that contains almost all generally used standard scales and you can thank me later. If you like what you have learned, don't forget to like and subscribe to get the new updates. Thanks for watching.